Hi, this is a review of the orderIT trade activity for July the 1st, 2021. We had two trades on that day. One was a buy, one was a short sell. The first trade was INUV. That's Inuvo Incorporated, tripped at 1:15 p.m. at a price of 93 cents. It was a short sell. Closed the day at 94.02, down 2.58%. Closed above its tripping. So let's see if there's any opportunity here. Yeah. Looks after tripping this period here, 118 to 218, almost an hour period time here where it was down below its tripping price, so that's a positive. It's a penny stock, so we're talking a fraction of a cent movement here, but it still was down below its tripping price. We'll take a look at the indicators. OBV, not drastic. MACD showing obviously coming down during its tripping period. You can see it did recover in the afternoon though. DI, same thing, and in fact, DI is showing that it was more positive than negative, so the stock technically from the DI perspective was moving positive. Bollinger Band showed that it came down around its tripping price and came up and then started recovering, so basically it was a V pattern, but it was ending the day in a positive movement, so you would have to get an out during that period of time where it was down below its tripping price. Next trade is CHS. That's Chico's Fast Incorporated, tripped at 3:20:57 p.m. at a price of 673. It's a buy trade. Closed the day at 666, up 1.22%. Again, it was below its tripping price, so we'll have to see if it came above it anytime. 3:30, I don't think so. Yeah. 672 and it's dropped. It came up, and then you see at the end of the day period or closing time, it actually dropped down. So it lost its movement upwards. See if there's any indicators. Was okay, came up, but then that drop. You see, MACD came up, and then that drop. DI positive a good portion day, then dropped, and Bollinger Band came up and dropped. Bollinger Band to me is probably the most important right now because technically this stock was moving sideways. We just happened to catch it at a point where it came up a bit that caused a tripping activity to occur, but again, the stock was basically staying right around where it was moving or at a price range. This is one of those, again, stocks that just wasn't able to move above its tripping price. Because of that, I'm going to say that's a negative. It's just, if Bollinger Band was showing more of a negative movement, I'd be okay, even though the other indicators did have that period of time at the end of the day, which what they're showing as negative movement. If Bollinger Band was showing more of a positive directional movement, I could say okay, at least in general there was positive movement, but Bollinger Band showing technically not really any positive movement, so except for the period of time that it tripped. Anyways, that's the way that is. So that's two stocks out of two, and that's 50% and 50%. So not a great day, but that's just the way things go. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.